Hello, today we will show you how we manufacture the two silicon chips that we use in our experiment. One silicon chip is used to keep the outside in place during the flight, and the other silicon chip is a microfluidic chip which allows us to exchange the medium in contact with the outside, the fork egg. So the chip with the outside, it has a little glass platelet casted into the silicon, and first we started off by using glass platelets with a tiny hole of 0.3 millimeter in diameter, but then it turned out that for the vibrations this was not too good because there were little sharp edges, and when you put them on the vibration table, this was killing the outsides. So now we have adapted glass platelets with a ruby bearing glued into the glass platelet. So we start off by putting in the glass platelet into the mold, and then we have to align it. And then very carefully we have to close up the mold without moving the cast form too much, because this could shift the glass platelet. And the last step is to put in this pin. This pin actually folds the cave in which the outside will then be in the end. So you can push this in. Push it right down into the glass platelet. This also stabilizes the glass platelet in place so it cannot shift anymore. And then you have to fix everything with a little screw. So that's it. The mold is now ready for casting. For the second chip, the microfluidic chip, it's a bit easier. We have the lower part which will form the microfluidic channel, and then the middle part which will define the outer geometry of the chip, and then a lid and a little reservoir for spare silicone. So now that we're ready, we can start casting. Okay, so this one is ready. So now that the silicon is casted into the forms, we have to get rid of all the air bubbles, and for this we vacuumize it for several hours. After you have vacuumized the chips, in order to remove all the air bubbles, we let the silicon cure at elevated temperature. The last step is to take the casting molds apart. So the chip is still inside, and with this little tool we can push out the chip. So there's our little chip, and the very last step is to clean it. We have to cut away these pillars. That's it. That's our chip for the outside. So these are two chips. This chip is for the outside, and this chip is the microfluidic chip, which allows us to change the medium in contact with the outside, and they fit together.